Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have found that Gatorade Frost mixed with Lipton iced tea, brisk Lipton iced tea, is delicious. Try it, you won't regret it. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of repotting. I have a Repotting tetrasperma that I got here on clearance for like $6. Yeah, and it needs to be repotted. I haven't repotted it since I brought it home from the place that I bought it at, and the soil looks a little compacted. It's got new growth, which I'm really excited about. Like 3 new leaves in a week. So soil is probably rich in nutrients, but I'm gonna pot it up into a bigger pot. And then this ZZ Raven has not done a damn thing in literally 2 years. I took it off the shelf today because I was like, maybe I should just repot it. What is that? That is a new growth point. I am shook at this. Oh, that's gonna go flying right off that table. It's windy outside. So I'm gonna repot that and see what's going on with those roots. I was convinced it had like root rot or something was going on, but new growth point is a plus. Then I have this Persian shield, which is beautiful. Like all the new growth is just really pretty, but all the bottom growth is kind of looking a little shabby. So I'm gonna clean it up. I have a little fungus gnat trap in here because your girl's got a little issue right now with fungus gnats. And I'm gonna put this outside. I'm gonna pot it up into a bigger pot and I'm gonna put it outside. These grow actually in like landscapes. So I don't wanna put it directly in the ground, but we're gonna up pot it. And yeah, that's about it. I have 3 plants to repot, so it's exciting. And then I kind of, at the end of this video, want to take you outside. I was going to do a separate video, like a garden update video, but one, we don't have a garden yet. I'm going to be doing a video of like building our garden bed, but I want to show you what's growing right now because I like to document that stuff because it's nice to see like this time of year what's starting to come up and what's starting to bloom. Because when we bought this house last year, we didn't move in until June. It was like the last week of May. So like the end of April and this past week, things have been coming up super fast. Like all of our hostas are coming up. So it's nice to kind of see what time of the year that all happens in this yard. I also, a couple things to note, have my door open because it's starting to get hot out and I didn't want to put the air on just yet. So I'm hoping that the traffic outside isn't picking up in this video. And then, listen, do not come for me in the comments. Do not. I'm hoping Becca doesn't see this video. I ran out of De La Tanks. And I was at Home Depot the other day doing a collab video that you probably already saw, and I picked something up. I picked up some orchid bark. It's orchid bark, like pure orchid bark. There's no soil in there because I'm convinced that all of Miracle-Gro's bags of soil have fungus gnat larvae. I don't prefer to use Miracle-Gro, okay? I just ran out of De La Tanks. I already placed another order, but it's not gonna be here for another couple of weeks, and I'm like, I have to repot these plants. I have to, because I'm afraid if I wait much longer, they're gonna, and that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. So, will my Repotting be okay in orchid bark? Ooh, I don't know. I hope so. Will my ZZ Raven like it? Probably. And will my Persian shield be okay with it? More than likely. Now my Persian shield, I potted this up in De La Tanks. When did I get this? Maybe like January? No, before that. It was in the fall. I think it was in the fall. So I'm gonna keep it in that soil and just add orchid bark to it. This is nursery soil, so I don't know what's in here. It looks like perlite and soil. It's pretty compacted. And then my Raven, I don't know what soil this is in because it's topped with my lava stone, which I do still love, which I'll probably mix in. So don't really follow my medium in this video. If you're new here, buy you some De La Tanks or a real good chunky aeroid mix, which is De La Tanks. Just don't buy Miracle Grow, okay? Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, let's go. What should we do first? I think I'm gonna put this in here. I know it's a pretty big up pot size, but this pot is only like half of it. It goes like up to here. This is like a self-watering pot, so it's not that big. I mean, it is big, but that's okay. That's okay. Orchid bark is such an airy mix that it smells like earth. That I think that it'll be okay. Like, it's not gonna get root rot or anything. Let's hope. Let's hope it likes it, you know? Who knows? Also, oh, I have it on this like little trellis, but it's not really on the trellis. It's just balancing on the trellis. Are there fungus gnats in here? I have been going through it with these damn fungus gnats, I'll tell you. I don't know what their deal is. Okay. We're gonna do just that, which looks really cute. And then we're gonna backfill it. So just yesterday was Mother's Day. It was 55 degrees and today's gonna be 85. I don't even really want to talk about it, to be honest, because the weather in this city just pisses me off. It's like we can never have like a happy medium, you know? Okay, I think I still am gonna need to put it on like, I don't want to use a moss pole. I really wanted to use maybe like a plank, but I don't have any to use. So it's gonna be kind of wobbly. I think I have a stick. I could like stake it. I just don't want to use a moss pole because I don't want it to grow in the moss pole. I'm thinking if this orchid bark doesn't work and it doesn't like it, then I'm gonna have to repot it. So, oh, but that looks really cute, you guys. Hold on. Look at that. That looks so good. It looks like a little tree. It's growing very wonky. I love the wonky ones. Hold on. I think I'm gonna use this. It's like a little trellis. Yeah. And then I'll just zip tie it. Not zip tie it. Velcro tape it to there. Okay, that looks good. Next. Okay, we're gonna put my ZZ Raven in this other one so they matchy. I'm curious to see the roots on this. Look at how I'm holding that up. It's a little wooden stake with like a hair clip. I don't even know where this came from. Look at that. Look at how that dowel just completely disintegrated. It's like starting to disappear. We won't use that. It's the only bad thing about wooden stakes and like moss poles is that they rot. Okay. I'm gonna pour this. Wiggle it just a little bit. Yeah, this is definitely my old mix because I see perlite in here. A lot of perlite. Jesus, Nicole, what were you doing? Oh, but the roots look great. Oh, that looks good. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. There's no pests or anything in here. And I am going to backfill it with orchid bark. I'm gonna go through this whole bag today, I bet. You know, I used to use the Miracle-Gro cactus mix. The problem with that though is that there's fungus gnats in it. There just is. Anytime I ever got a bag of De La Tanks, it's filled with like good microbes, mushrooms, and fungi. Not fungus gnats, but fungi. Like the good stuff, you know? I never had that when I got Miracle-Gro, so I'm just not a fan. But Home Depot doesn't carry anything but, and I didn't have time to go anywhere else, so I'm just making excuses for myself, really. I really should have planned better. I really should have. But I feel like this is the safest medium to get if you're gonna get anything from there. I will be giving it some of my arbor plant food because this orchid bark doesn't really hold any nutrients. So, okay, I'm gonna leave a little area for that new growth to pop out of. We see it right there. Look how cute. Oh, please get bigger. I'm telling you, it hasn't done anything for me. Probably because all that damn perlite I had in there. What's wrong with me? But this is a very airy mix. I think it's gonna like it. I really do think it's gonna like it. I'm wondering if I should, no, this stick is rotted. Maybe I'll put this in here. I don't think it needs it. I don't think it needs it. I think it's sturdy. It's a big boy. It's fine. Okay. All right, last one. We are gonna do, this is like a biodegradable pot. It's like recyclable material. I don't know what happened to the bottom though. I don't know what I did with it, but it fits on this terracotta saucer, so we'll go with that. Yeah, gonna repot this Persian shield. I'm gonna put this in here actually, because this is gonna go outside. I don't need fungus gnat traps when my plants go outside. Because, oh, that came right out of there. Hold on. Okay, let's do it. This thing grows like a weed. It's so pretty. It grows so fast. Yeah, look at these roots. Wow. Impressive. Okay. This will give it plenty of room to grow. And it'll probably do really well outside. I just gotta make sure it doesn't get burned. I'm gonna put it in the shade. It was a long, boring weekend, to be honest. I didn't work at all, which was nice. We ordered out yesterday. We ordered from Outback Steakhouse. This is really good. Because who's cooking on Mother's Day? Not me. I didn't do anything this weekend. I was lazy. I did a couple videos, but I have such busy weekends coming up that I just wanted to embrace the dead downtime. I just did nothing. Some of these are like dying off, but it's all right. Look how cute. That looks so pretty. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Well, that's it for that. Now, let's just take a little peek outside and see what I have going on out there. They love being outside. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so windy. Okay. All right, so let me show you what I got going on. So I have some plants out here. Oh, it's so windy. I'm so glad I didn't repot outside. Okay, so here's, oh my God, I'm gonna blow over. Okay, so here's all of my cactus and euphorbia. I have some succulents too. I think that this one's kicking the bucket. I think it got overwatered. Jazzy, stop or you're gonna go inside. I have my cactus from Arizona that's doing great. That's an elephant ear that looks like it's gonna blow right off. I'm gonna need to move that. These guys I think got some sunburn. Got a little sun damage. I don't know how. It hasn't even really been that sunny, but you know, it's all a learning process. These have already gotten taller since I brought them out like 2 weeks ago, which blows my mind. Okay, anyway, kind of boring in this section, but I wanted to show you what we did. Well, actually, we took up the garden bed. That's a piece of poop. We took up the garden bed and we took all that unused grass that the dogs were peeing in. It was really bad. Like, it was just completely dead grass from them peeing in it. And we made it a poop pit. So this is like their potty area. It's nice, small pea gravel, which is easy on their paws. And yeah, they like it. So the garden is gonna get moved to all the way over there. But that's another video. What is happening over there? Hey, hey, get a room. The other day I planted my alocasia ebony in the ground outside. I'm experimenting and it's fun and it's really dark. Why is it so dark? Okay, and then over here I planted my black velvet. There's nothing happening yet, but I potted it up. I mean, not potted it up, I planted it up. Jazzy likes that poop pit. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I wanted to show you like what's starting to bloom already. Well, all the hostas are coming up. This is where the garden's gonna go. But on this side, we have some forget-me-nots, we have some daylilies coming in. The roses are looking nice. It's my shadow. That's why I hate filming on sunny days. We have all this mulch we have to lay down. What else? Let's see. Oh, peonies. Peonies. They're starting to come in. Look how beautiful. They're already so pretty. I'm just praying that these stupid Japanese beetles don't show their ugly faces. We have grubex. We're gonna lay down some grubex. We took the bench out and laid some grass seed there so it's blocked off so the dogs can't go running in it. But Japanese maple back there, rose bushes everywhere. The rose bushes are just, they've been starting to bloom, not bloom, but they've been starting to get their foliage. All the hostas are coming in. It's so fun. Okay, well, that's all. That's it. That's all I got. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me in today's video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.